Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can lose weight with cabbage soup. Cabbage soup is a great option for anyone who wants to lose weight quickly and safely. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and contains many essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs. So let's get started. Step 1. Ingredients. The first step in making cabbage soup is to gather all the necessary ingredients. Here is a list of what you'll need. 1 head of cabbage, chopped. 6 onions, chopped. 6 carrots, sliced. 3 bell peppers, chopped. 1 bunch of celery, chopped. 6 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 can of diced tomatoes. 1 liter of low-sodium vegetable broth. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Now that you have all the ingredients, you can cook it with whatever style you like. After you have cooked it. Step 3. Consumption. Now that your cabbage soup is ready, it's time to start consuming it. Here's what you need to do. 1. Replace at least 1 meal a day with cabbage soup. You can have it for lunch or dinner. 2. Make sure you eat enough soup to feel full, but don't overdo it. Remember, this is low-calorie meal. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Combine this diet with regular exercise for best results. And that's it. This is how you can use cabbage soup to lose weight. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.